This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan granola. We'll start with the dry ingredients. You'll need about 5 cups of rolled oats, which form the perfect base. Then, add 1 cup of your favorite nuts and seeds, like almonds, pecans, or pumpkin seeds, for that essential crunch. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a pinch of salt to really bring out all those wonderful flavors. This combination sets the stage for a truly satisfying snack. Next, let's combine our wet ingredients, which will bind everything together and add sweetness. You'll need about 1/2 cup of a liquid sweetener, such as maple syrup or agave nectar. Melt 1/4 cup of coconut oil to help create those lovely clusters. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a beautiful aroma. For an even richer granola, you can also add a tablespoon of almond or peanut butter. Whisk these together until well combined. Now it's time to bring it all together. Pour your wet mixture over the dry ingredients in a large bowl. Mix everything really well, ensuring all the oats, nuts, and seeds are coated. Spread this delicious mixture evenly onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This helps prevent sticking and promotes even baking. Pop it into an oven preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, remembering to stir it halfway through for perfect golden brown results. Once your granola is beautifully golden, remove it from the oven. The most important step for crispiness is to let it cool completely on the baking sheet. Resist the urge to touch it. As it cools, it will firm up and become wonderfully crunchy. Once fully cooled, break it into your preferred cluster sizes. Store your delicious, homemade vegan granola in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.